Hello and welcome. Now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to install the new script onto your server. Now you should be able to log into your own server and using your favorite FTP program. In this case we're using FileZilla, but if you have another one that you like to use you can certainly use that. And you'll use FileZilla to get into your website or your server. You'll need to locate the public HTML file. Once you found it, you want to double click and open up that public HTML area, which will open up into this area that you see right here on FileZilla. Now what you'll want to do is you'll want to create a new directory. In this case, we're going to name this new directory generically new script. And we're going to do that by right clicking the directory there at the top. We're going to click create directory and then we're going to call this new script. We're going to click OK. And then you're going to see new script appear right there inside of the public HTML folder. You want to go ahead and click inside of new script. Then you want to go to the folder where your script is. And in this particular case, we're going to go to this folder and open up the folder. And you'll see an admin file and other files that look like this. What you want to do now is you want to drag and drop those files onto your FileZilla. And we're going to do that right now. And you're going to simply drag them into the open directory, the one that you've just opened. And copy your files in, and then they will then start to upload. And when you notice that you have the same files that you have on your hard drive in your server, you've actually completed that part of the process. You're now going to need to go to your admin. And you're going to set that up by putting in your domain name. Now, I put in yourdomainname.com so that you will know that whatever your domain name is, that's where you'll go. Now, notice that for the directory that I'm going to use, I put in new script. And that's because that's the one that I created when I created my FileZilla directory. You will put in the directory that you create when you upload your files. And then after the last // you'll put the word admin. So in this particular case, I'm going to go to my web browser now and I'm going to put in my domain name. I'm going to put in my script. You'll do the same and then you'll put in admin after that. So let's do that right now. Now when you get to your web destination, you should have a screen that looks like this. And this is where you are going to be setting up your admin credentials. Now what you'll need to do is to use the admin email address that you'll want to use and then to write in a password and to confirm that password. I'm going to do that right now. Your credentials are going to look something like this. Once you're done with that, then you're going to click proceed. The admin panel is then going to revert back to a login screen, and all you'll need to do is to place in the email and password that you placed in. So let's do that now. We now have our credentials entered. We're now going to click login. And that will bring you into your script area.